Casement windows, known for their elegance, versatility, and functionality, have become a popular choice among homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona. These windows, hinged at the side and opening outward, offer a blend of modern style and practicality that suits the diverse architectural styles found in Gilbert. Whether you're planning a home renovation or building a new house, here are the top benefits of installing casement windows in Gilbert residences. Superior ventilation. One of the standout features of casement windows is their ability to maximize airflow. Unlike traditional windows that slide open partially, casement windows open fully, allowing fresh air to flow freely into your home. Gilbert's hot summers and mild winters make natural ventilation a valuable asset for maintaining indoor comfort. By catching side breezes and directing them indoors, casement windows create a cool, refreshing environment while reducing reliance on air conditioning. Energy efficiency. Casement windows are among the most energy-efficient window styles available. Their tight seal when closed prevents drafts and minimizes air leakage, which is particularly important in Gilbert's desert climate. Many casement windows also come with advanced glazing options, such as low-E glass, which reflects heat while allowing natural light to brighten your living space. This combination of features can lead to significant savings on energy bills while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Enhanced security. When it comes to home security, casement windows excel due to their design. These windows are secured with locks embedded within the frame, making them more resistant to break-ins compared to other window types. Additionally, their outward opening mechanism makes it difficult for intruders to tamper with the frame or hinges from outside. By choosing high-quality casement windows with robust locking systems, you can enjoy greater peace of mind for your family and property. Modern aesthetic appeal. Casement windows offer a sleek, contemporary look that enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. Their clean lines and unobstructed glass panes provide an open, airy feel, making spaces appear larger and more inviting. Whether your Gilbert home features a traditional southwestern design or a modern minimalist style, casement windows can seamlessly complement your decor while adding a touch of sophistication. Unobstructed views. Unlike double-hung or sliding windows, casement windows lack a central frame or sash, offering uninterrupted views of the outdoors. This feature is particularly appealing in Gilbert, where stunning desert landscapes, vibrant sunsets, and mountain vistas are part of daily life. Whether you're in the living room, bedroom, or kitchen, casement windows allow you to enjoy the beauty of your surroundings without any visual barriers. Easy operation and maintenance. Casement windows are designed with user convenience in mind. Their crank handle mechanism allows for effortless opening and closing, even in hard-to-reach areas such as over sinks or countertops. Cleaning these windows is also straightforward, as the entire pane can be easily accessed from inside your home. This makes them an excellent choice for busy homeowners looking for low-maintenance yet highly functional windows. Versatility in design. Casement windows come in a wide range of sizes, materials, and finishes, allowing you to customize them to suit your home's architecture and personal preferences. Whether you prefer wood frames for a rustic charm or vinyl frames for durability and affordability, there's a casement window option for every style and budget. You can also pair them with other window types, such as fixed or picture windows, to create unique and visually striking combinations. Increased home value. Upgrading to casement windows is an investment that can enhance your home's resale value. Prospective buyers appreciate energy-efficient, stylish, and secure windows, which can set your property apart in Gilbert's competitive real estate market. By improving both the functionality and appearance of your home, casement windows can make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Conclusion. Casement windows offer a winning combination of practicality, style, and performance that makes them an excellent choice for Gilbert residences. From improved ventilation and energy efficiency to enhanced security and aesthetic appeal, these windows deliver benefits that homeowners can enjoy for years to come. If you're considering a window upgrade, investing in casement windows can transform your living space while adding value to your property. With their ability to withstand Gilbert's climate and their timeless design, casement windows are an ideal choice for homeowners seeking to enhance comfort, beauty, and functionality in their homes. Contact a trusted local window provider today to explore the options and experience the difference casement windows can make.